bonds that build the trust. India encompasses the perfect blend of Eastern wisdom and Western knowledge. While the ancient Indian techniques of yoga and meditation heal the mind and soul, the modern scientific development provides holistic treatment for all kinds of complex diseases.
Far from the madding crowds and traffic jams lies this beautiful tertiary care hospital located in the foothills of majestic Himalayas. The drive from New Delhi International Airport takes 2 hours amidst lush green surroundings through an 8-lane superhighway. The V sign of Vardhman Hospital signifies the victory of good health over disease. Vardhman Hospital stands firmly on the 35 years of patient trust built by the doctor duo of Dr. Mukesh Jain and Dr. Nutan Jain. Vardhman Hospital is founded on the vision to create an integrated world-class healthcare system that combines the extraordinary skills of Indian doctors, compassionate nursing care, and the latest cutting-edge medical technology.
Patient comes to a hospital, he finds where he has a trust, where he feels that the outcome is good, and to build up this trust, it takes a long time.
Vardhman Hospital is a 100-bedded tertiary care super specialty hospital in the fields of orthopedics, joint replacement, gynaecology, and infertility management. The hospital is housed in a 6.5-acre plot nestled amidst green salubrious surroundings. The 7-story building, which is designed and built by the Panjwanis, offers 2.5 lakh square feet of space to house 14 operation theatres, 60 single deluxe rooms, and 40 beds for pre-surgery, post-surgery, and intensive care. The outpatient area provides all services like pharmacy, cafeteria, washrooms, diagnostics, and tastefully designed patient waiting lounges. The idea behind Vardhman Hospital is to create an institution which develops and nurtures the trust reposed by its patients by delivering world-class medical services in a patient-centric environment. This environment has been created painstakingly through training, through systems, and through the molding of mindsets towards a global outlook on patient care and the management of healthcare services.
One of the pillars for building this trust is the passion for medical profession. In order to achieve desirable outcomes, one must continue to advance the medical frontiers in modern medicine through continuous training and knowledge sharing.
Live surgeries from the operation theatres of the hospital are beamed to audiences in international conferences to advance the frontiers of medical science. 2 world-class auditoriums with seating capacity of 500 delegates within the hospital aid in the fellowship programs run by us.
The second pillar for building the trust of the patient is care of the highest standard. Now that involves forming a relation with the patient right when the patient enters the hospital. That includes the registration, the OPD, the consultation, then the diagnosis, and then the admission during the operation theatre and at the time of discharge.
Vardhman Hospital has the latest and most advanced diagnostic facilities in the form of MRI, CT scan, fully automated pathology lab, color Doppler, ultrasound, digital X-ray, and bone densitometry DEXA scan. The medical leadership of the hospital is in sound professional hands. trained at the best medical centers in the world in the field of orthopedics, joint replacement and robotic surgery. Meet Dr. Anubhav Jain.
The third pillar for building patient trust is to respect every human which is coming into the hospital department. It guides us in getting better treatment and better patient care for every individual who is walking into Vardhman Hospital. We at Vardhman have deployed the latest cutting-edge technology across the world which is available, and we update it regularly. This helps us in giving us the best services to all of our patients.
In the last 35 years, Vardhman Hospital has touched the lives of more than 1 million patients and successfully done more than 50,000 surgeries. Today, the hospital houses the latest orthopedic robot for doing joint replacement surgeries with the highest levels of precision. The fully hybrid operation theatres with zero-touch technology achieve the ultimate levels of sterilization and a near zero infection rate in implant surgeries.
The fourth pillar of the patient trust is to never compromise on the products and the implants what we use, because I think human life is more important than anything.
Post-operative rehabilitation for the patients of Vardhman Hospital continue even after the patient reaches home and until full normalcy is restored in terms of health. Vardhman Hospital offers tertiary care services in the fields of gynaecology, laparoscopic gynae surgeries, reproductive medicine and fertility management, including a state-of-art IVF center. Female patients from all over world come to Vardhman Hospital for getting the most complex of the gynae surgeries like uterine fibroids, ovarian cysts, cancer surgeries and infertility surgeries. World-class infertility management services are offered through the IVF Center, which is equipped with the latest technology to bring the joy of parenthood to the struggling couples. Massive investment in acquiring the best-in-class technology has made Vardhman Hospital establish a new benchmark in terms of world-class healthcare delivery system. The last 35 years have seen Vardhman Hospital develop as the ultimate center for complex fractures, joint replacement surgeries and arthroscopic surgeries. We have developed our offerings by the introduction of the latest orthopedic robot for doing the joint replacement surgeries with zero error. The huge cost advantage offered by India, coupled with the best surgical hands and the most advanced medical technology, makes India as the most sought-after destination for high-end medical treatment. Patients are received at the main gate and escorted through a golf cart and straight away ushered into the doctor's room for first consultation. Diagnostic tests follow the consult and the reports are immediately evaluated by the doctors. Patients needing surgery are admitted and the surgery carried out after the preliminary blood work. post-surgery rehab is done at the hospital, and the patients are discharged from the hospital once they are able to function independently.
One can make such many buildings in one's life, but building the trust of the patients, it takes your entire life.
35 years of unparalleled patient trust, medical knowledge, surgical skills, and latest technology working in sync to create an institute par excellence. At Vardhman Hospital, you are in trusted hands.